Hey guys, Micah here from Electrek, and today I'm reviewing the Jetson Bolt, which is this mini electric bicycle. Though I'm not sure if you can call it a bicycle if it doesn't have pedals. The Jetson is this interesting quasi-bicycle with foot pegs instead of pedals. Other than the lack of pedals, it functions basically like any other electric bicycle. It has a 250-watt rear wheel motor, 12-inch wheels, a 36-volt, 5.2 amp-hour lithium-ion battery that's good for about 180 watt-hours, and a rear disc brake to boot. There's no pedal assist, because there's no pedals. The Jetson Bolt e-bike is pretty lightweight at just 34 pounds. That low weight is likely thanks to the aluminum frame and the lack of standard bike parts, like a chain, crank, pedals, gears, etc. On the handlebars, you'll find an on-off switch, a rear brake lever, a battery gauge, horn button, and a cruise control button. There's a front headlight and a rear taillight that also functions as a brake light. But to turn on the lights for night riding, you have to hold the horn button down for 3 seconds. That's a bit annoying, especially if people around you think you're beeping at them. The Bolt can reach 16 miles per hour and has a rated range of 17 miles, though I found the real-world range was a bit less. That's pretty standard for all electric bicycles though. In terms of rideability, the Bolt does surprisingly well. It's a bit odd getting used to putting your feet on pegs if you're normally used to pedals, but I acclimated fairly quickly. The bike performs great on flat ground and is a decent hill climber, but it's not going to win any Pikes Peak challenges with just a 250-watt motor. But if you don't mind going slower up the hills, it's still decent. I can see this bike being perfect for campuses and hopping around a city. Plus, it folds up pretty small and could easily fit in the trunk of a car. All in all, I'm quite happy with the Jetson Bolt. For $400, it's hard to beat. It's not the fastest e-bike, but it gets you where you need to go for an incredible price, and that's what's important for a lot of people who rely on e-bikes as a secondary form of transportation. Now I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, consider giving it a thumbs up, and you can always subscribe to Electrek's channel to see more of our awesome electric vehicle videos. See you next time, guys.